good afternoon, good evening. Hey y'all, hey. Welcome back to the LaShaun channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys this gorgeous Calvin Klein satchel. So if you want to see how I'm going to style this bag, definitely stay tuned. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the LaShaun channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, guys, so let's jump straight into this Calvin Klein bag. All right, everybody, so I picked this bag up from Burlington. Actually, Angel Lee picked it up for me from Burlington. She sent me a picture of it. I fell in love with it, and I was like, girl, grab this bag. I really love it. It's called the Tinley, Tinley, and I'll list it up here on the screen for you guys. The original price with Calvin Klein is $188, but I paid $69 for this bag, and definitely very much so well worth it. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to clip the tags off. So I fell in love with this gorgeous bag because of this beautiful like caramel color in front. And also I love that it has the white and the black. I love that it has three totally different colors, but they complement one another. This is a beautiful bag. Calvin Klein really did something good with this satchel. I love the detailing on the construction of this bag. The little knots on there is so cute to me. I absolutely love it. I love the dome shape of the bag. And I'm actually not a dome shaped person, but purse type of person, but I love how this was done. Let's turn her to the side, and she zips all the way to the side. And then this is her from the back. And also she does have feet on the bottom, and I love the silver hardware on her. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. She does have a pocket back here in the back, and then also she has another pocket here. She has another pocket here in the front, okay? And if you're seeing these, it's because she also has a crossbody strap as well. And if you guys know, you know that I do not like crossbody, so I always get rid of the straps. But these are the straps for it. I just took it off. So, okay, let's unzip her. So, sharing with you guys what's on the inside of her. In the back, she has the Calvin Klein stamp inside, and then this is a zip pocket. And if you turn her around to the front, in the front she has two separate pockets, okay? And as you can see, she's a really deep purse, so you can fit a lot of stuff inside of her. So I'm excited to get ready and carry her. So let me share with you guys a couple setups that I have in mind to wear with her. Now, there's things inside. This is not what's actually going in the purse today, but these are some things that I want to share that can go inside. Now, I know that she has silver hardware, but I thought about putting this bag as a catch-all to go inside of her, and that is a boutique bag that I picked up from Poshmark. Also, I picked up from Calvin Klein this gorgeous wristlet, and I think this would make a really good makeup bag or a pull-out bag. And this is really pretty. It's the wristlet. So let's see if I can get her to stand up. Yep. And then I also have this really cute white makeup bag as well, and it can be used for, you know, whatever we want to use it for. I just think it looks really good up against the bag. And then also next I have, this is actually Anne Klein. This is an Anne Klein wallet that I got from a lady on Poshmark. And it was only $10, so I did really good with this. And it does match it, not perfectly, but I can get away with that. I think it doesn't look bad. So yeah, I'm sorry, I just got distracted. I heard a horn. My window is open, sorry. So yeah, this looks really good with it. It's not an exact match, but it still looks really good with it. So this is a setup that I would use on this bag. And then also I have this cute little coin purse that I could, stick in there some kind of way. But overall, I think this is really, really cute. And I love the setup of this. And this could look really cute, chic, and classy, I think. So I have a couple more pieces. Let me share a different setup with you guys with besides this. Okay, guys. So also, I have this wallet that I got from the beauty supply store so many years ago. And then it's a double zip wallet. And it has the really cute little smiley face. If you guys can see, it has a smiley face. And then it says love. The L-O and E is embossed in black. But then we have that gold V. I think that would be cute with this as well. Then next, I think we can go with this really cute Coach wristlet. This is off-white wristlet. And this is actually like a bone color white. It's not bright white. And so I think it don't look too bad with this at all. And I can use that for whatever. And then also, I got these wallets from Shein. So I do like, even though this is white, it still doesn't look too bad. So this is a card wallet that I picked up from Shein. And I'm starting to really like these with the face in the back, or either the covered face card wallet. And then it has the zip compartment. But I bought this sometime last year in the fall or something. But I think that would be cute with it. And then we have this girl right here. I think she would be cute. This is another Coach wallet that I have. I think that she would be really cute as an addition to these other ones. And then again, I have another wallet that I got from Shein. And this is a coin pouch where you can actually put a card right in front. So I think this will be cute with it too. And then last but definitely not least, I think that here is another coin pouch or wallet. Little, I can put my insurance cards and stuff like that inside of. So I think this is a really cute setup as well. Really, really pretty. Both of them are really, really nice. I don't know which one I'm going to choose, but I think both of them are super cute with this bag. So you guys let me know in the comments below which setup you liked best. Did you like setup the first one, or do you like the second one? Because I'm kind of feeling the first one, but I do like the second one. The second one is not too bad, guys. So I'm not sure which one I want to do, but I think both setups are really, really nice. So you guys let me know in the comments below. I am going to be getting into this girl this week. I'm not sure what day, because I'm still so in love with my Kurt Geiger bag, and I'm just not quite ready to get out of her yet. So yeah, but I really love this bag. She's a cutie, and she's a business bag. That's what I love about it the most, is that she's really, about the business. So she's a cute girl. But guys, let me know in the comments below if you like this video, if you like the bag, and definitely let me know which setup, A or B, that you like the most. And yeah, we'll talk about it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the LaShaun channel and become part of the family. And to all my other people that's watching and subscribers, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. All right, guys, until the next video, bye.